Yo, we back with another video, and today we have another meetup. So let me find where these shoes is at. Oh, he's right here. These are the Timbs. Let me show y'all what it look like. No, nothing big. They nice, just a red Tim. They fire. Nothing really wrong with them. Not even really. There's nothing wrong with these. These are like brand new. Not gonna count. Yeah, but we agreed on 80, I believe. And I'm about to go take these to meetup. So let's make this a quick meetup. See if anything goes wrong. Hopefully not. Hopefully he already has the money ready. You can just look at him ready to go. Nothing big, but let's go ahead and go to this meetup. Get these in the box. There didn't look like there was nothing wrong with these. Boom. Yeah, you feel me? Nice little box, size 7. So let's go ahead and get these in the car. Yeah, I know my car a little dirty. Now we off to the meetup.
What are those? What are those?
See, I'm gonna let y'all know now. Y'all be sleeping on Play-Dohs. I'm gonna show y'all what I got here in a second. But y'all be sleeping on it, no cap. Let me see if I can get y'all to sign here. Yeah, it came out something big. Okay, so right after the Play-Dohs closet, I came out here to do a meetup. I'm gonna tell them I'm in Macy's parking lot by F6. Look at this guy messing up my video. So, F6 Macy's parking lot on the outside in a black Charger. So look, y'all gonna get a face reveal whenever we hit 1,000 subs. So whenever we hit 1,000 subs, you're gonna get a face reveal. Till then, we gonna keep on thugging it out. But I'll get back with y'all whenever he gets here for the meetup. How you doing? Good. You mind being recorded?
Huh?
Do you mind being recorded?
Recorded.
Yeah, it's fine. It's not gonna be on you, but there you go. You can look at it.
Oh, okay.
I do it for like I sell shoes for a living, so I have like a TikTok, and Instagram, and YouTube, and all that.
Oh, okay.
How they look?
So they look good. It's a men's.
7Y, I think.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Yeah.
Yeah, they look real good.
Very good.
Cool. Let me see what. How your day going?
It's good. Yeah.
Just got off of work.
I did. Yeah. So then coming from Plano and then over here, I was gonna check out Macy's and see how we do. So, all right. It works out. Did you get it?
See that still, but all right. So we just got done with it. It was a lady. You see my light on. I'm getting that done tomorrow. But it was a lady, and I asked her, did she want to be recorded? She was kind of hesitant, so I was like, don't even worry about it. But she went ahead and cashed at me. I wish I had cash to show y'all, but I might throw the screenshot up, like right here. I don't know, maybe not. But yeah, that's it for the meetup. If y'all like this video, you're gonna have to like it. I told you if we reach 1,000, you get the face reveal, and then we gonna tee this whole channel up. But other than that, we out.